Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Trump meme coins using an easy method. First, you will need to set up and verify your Coinbase account. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Once verified, fund your account with fiat currency, perhaps $100 to $200, using a bank transfer or debit card. Then, purchase a common cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Solana, which will be your base for the swap. Next, you will need a self-custody wallet to hold your meme coin. Download a popular option like MetaMask, which is widely used. Create a new wallet and, most importantly, write down your 12-word seed phrase and keep it extremely safe. Then, transfer the Ethereum or Solana you bought on Coinbase to your new wallet's address. This step is crucial for accessing decentralized exchanges. Now it is time to access a decentralized exchange, or DEX. Navigate to a well-known platform like Uniswap for Ethereum or Radium for Solana. Once there, you will see an option to connect your wallet. Click this and approve the connection from your MetaMask or other wallet. Make sure your wallet is set to the correct network like Ethereum mainnet to avoid any issues. Finally, you are ready to swap for your Trump meme coin. On the DEX, locate the swap interface. You will need the exact contract address for the specific meme coin you want to buy. Always double-check this. Enter the amount of Ethereum or Solana you want to exchange, review the transaction details, and then confirm. Be aware of network fees, which can vary, and complete your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.